Hello, this short tutorial will demonstrate how to properly take skin fold measurements and calculate body fat percentage. You want to start off by selecting a skin caliper tool. There are several calipers that can be used, and here are a couple of pictures of the most common types. All measurements should be made on the right side of the body with the subject standing up. Calipers should be placed directly on the skin surface 1 centimeter away from the thumb and finger, perpendicular to the skin fold, and halfway between the crest and the base of the fold. Pin should be maintained while reading the caliper. Wait 1 to 2 seconds and no longer before reading the caliper. Take duplicate measures at each side and retest if duplicate measurements are not within 1 to 2 millimeters. Always rotate through measurement sites or allow time for the skin to regain normal textures and thickness. The abdominal skin fold site will be a vertical fold 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus, also known as your belly button. The tricep skin fold site will be a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm, halfway between the acromion and olecranon process, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. The pectoral skin fold site is a diagonal fold 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple in men, or 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple in women. The mid-axillary skin fold site is a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum, also known as the breastbone or the bone in the center of your chest. The subscapular skin fold site is a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferior angle of the scapula. The suprailiac skin fold site is a diagonal fold in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest, taken in the anterior axillary line, immediately superior to the iliac crest. Last, the thigh is a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the hip. Once you have finished taking skin fold measurements, retake the measurements and average out calculations to get a more accurate measurement. In this table are the equations to calculate body density in both men and women. We will be using the 7-site calculation. Next, plug in X4 since it contains the 7 skin fold sites measured. Just plug it in the parentheses and calculate to get body density. The Siri-Ambrosic equations are 2 of the most common equations used to calculate body fat percentage. Choose either equation, plug in body density from 7-site calculation, and you will have your body fat percentage. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.